Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I live with 3 boys. One's my husband, 2 of them are my children. And let me tell you something about boys. Sometimes they can stink, especially their feet. So I got these little cedar sacks to help with all the stinky feet in our house. These are great. I love the smell of cedar. I find that it does well at neutralizing odors, but it's just a nice, natural, light scent. It's nothing overpowering. Now these sacks are small enough that they will fit in the shoes of my 6-year-old. And then for my husband, we will put 2 sacks into a single shoe. These come in a pack of 24, so we've had enough that I tuck them in my shoes as well. These are also great for drawers. You can hang them on hangers in your closet. So you don't necessarily have to live with stinky boys to benefit from these. They're really good for any space that you just want to neutralize any kind of odors. And that's my point of view.